welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam and we're getting ready to make crispy fried sardines. Yes guys, sardines. Oh my goodness, that little delicate fish fries up amazingly. It is so delicious. Oh my goodness. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, and made from scratch, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on that notification bell so you'll always get my recipes every time I upload one. And then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. We are back and we're going to go over our little few ingredients in order to fry up our sardines. Well, of course, you're going to need sardines. Yes, guys, these little fishies in this little can, we're going to take them out, we're going to keep them whole, and we're going to fry them up. You'll also need an egg. You'll need ice cold water. Now, I actually had some ice cubes sitting in this water and sitting in the freezer for a few minutes because you need to have it ice cold. And then some flour. And of course, you'll need a little oil in order to fry it up with. Okay, and as always, and a reminder, I'll always have the ingredients, directions, instructions, measurements down in the description just so you guys can make it too. Okay, let's go ahead and get these crispy fried sardines made. Okay guys, we know these are the little sardines, the little fishies in the can. So this is what we're going to use and we're going to fry them up. First of all, I want to apologize for the quality of the visual part of this video. Something was going on with my camera and I have no clue of what it was, so I do apologize, but bear with me. The rest of my videos are clear. Okay, first thing we need to do is get these little fishies out of the can so that we can fry them up nice and crispy. You want to drain the oil off. We don't need that oil and it's not good for cooking. We will be using oil, but not the oil from the actual can. So drain it off, set it aside, discard it, whatever. Then after that, it's time to get these little sardines out of the can. Please be gingerly with it. Use a couple of spoons like I'm doing here if you need to, but just try your best not to break them. Yes, if they break, you can still fry them, but they're so tiny. These sardines are so tiny. So if you break one, that means whatever you fry is going to be even smaller. Now that we've got those fish out of the can, time to make our batter. Start off with an egg and beat it well. Then we're going to pour in the ice cold water. Remember I had some ice cubes sitting in it? Ice cold water. Mix that in well. Get your flour and you're going to actually sift it into your batter, making sure there's no lumps in there, and it's just going to make the batter very, very light and fluffy. Make sure after you've sifted the flour into your batter that you mix it very well too. Now you want to get your batter ready in your skillet. We've got it on medium-high heat. You don't want it too high, but you do want it medium-high heat. Be very, very gentle and dip your sardines by hand is the easiest way. Yes, you got to get your hands a little dirty and gently lay them in the skillet. We're going to fry these until they are nice, golden brown and crispy. It only takes a few minutes on both sides, but we're going to be turning them over constantly so they can get an even cook on them. Make sure they're not touching in the skillet. You can cook as many as you want as long as your skillet is not overcrowded. Make sure when you turn them over, you do it gingerly. Do it very lightly because at this point, they're still very delicate and can break. So turn them over very, very gently. Ooh, these are looking good. I wish you guys could smell them. Delicious. And they are all done. So go ahead, remove them from the skillet. You want to salt them right away and let them drain on some paper towels. I actually have them draining on a cooling rack. Don't they look amazing? Yes, we are all done. Thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.